Hello class 3. Today we'll start the 8th chapter of English 1, that is nouns, singular and plural. We already know what nouns are, right? The nouns are the naming words, the names of a person, place, animals or things. Now we'll study about singular and plural. Now what do you understand by singular? Singular means one single thing. When you talk about only one thing. Okay, now see. What are singular nouns? Look at these pictures. Here we can see one bird, one tree, one cow and one boy. Now if you look at these pictures, okay, you have only one thing. You have one tree, you have one bird, you have one cow and one boy. So such nouns, bird, tree, cow, boy, which mean one, are called singular nouns. Means when we talk about only one thing, then that is known as singular nouns. One single thing, one single animal, one single person, one single place. That is known as singular nouns. Got it? Now, what do you understand by plural nouns? Now, see. Now, talking about plural nouns. Now, look at these. Here we can see 5 birds, 2 cows, 4 boys and 2 trees. Now, in earlier pictures, we saw one tree, one bird, one cow and one boy. But in the next picture, what are we seeing? We are seeing that there are not one bird, but there are many birds, many cows, then many boys and many trees. So, when you have anything more than one, that is known as your plural nouns. For example, here, if you can see here, it is 5 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, this is your plural nouns. Why plural nouns? Because there are more than one bird. Similarly, 2 cows. Here, we are not talking about one cow, but we are talking about 2 cows. More than one cow. Similarly, 4 boys. Here, we don't have one boy, but we have 4 boys. 2 trees. We are not talking about one tree. We are talking about more than one tree. So, this is what you understand by plural nouns. What happens in singular nouns? In singular nouns, we talk about only one thing. But in plural nouns, we talk about more than one thing. Got it? Another thing, that how you identify whether a noun is a singular noun or it is a plural noun. Now here you can see in the table given over here. Now look at this table. Here apple, box and child. Now here you have one apple, but here you have 2 apples. So what have I added over here? We have just added s over here. When there are more than one thing, there we add s in a word. For example, one apple is here and 2 apples is here. So this apple became apples over here. So apples means we are talking about more than one apple. Similarly, box. One box is over here and 3 boxes are over here. So this box became boxes. Why it became boxes? Because we are talking about more than one thing. So what happens in plural noun? How to identify whether a word is a singular or a plural noun? When there is a s, when you have written s in the word, that means you're talking about more than one thing. Got it? Apple is singular, but when you write apples, When you add S in apples, that means it is plural. Similarly, book, one book, but here you can see 3 books. So when you add this S over here, it means you're talking about more than one book. I hope you have understood the difference between singular and plural nouns. Okay, we'll do a quick revision of this chapter. We started chapter 8, nouns, singular and plural. So what do we understand by singular noun? Singular nouns means when we talk about only one particular thing. When we talk about one thing, one animal, one place, or one person. What happens in plural noun? When we talk about more than one thing. It's like 2 girls, 2 boys, 5 dogs, 6 chocolates. That is the difference between singular and plural nouns. I hope you are clear with this chapter, and if you have any queries related to this chapter, you can send your queries in the dashboard, and all the exercises will be uploaded in dashboard. Till then, take care. Thank you.